Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design the coin sleeves for our coin sorter. So whenever you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Come on up to File and do a new Part Design and select Create New. And the first one we're going to make is our dime coin sleeve. And so we're going to come on up here and create a sketch here on this plane. Come on over to Center, uh, Circle, and we're going to drag out a circle with a diameter of 0.87 inches. And that's it for this sketch. We're going to finish it and we're going to extrude it a distance of 0.05. All right, and now let's go ahead and create a sketch on this face, and we're going to go ahead and project the outer circle. Hit OK, offset it a distance of minus 0.05, enter, and then that's it. Finish the sketch, and we're going to extrude this outer profile here a distance of 3.92 inches. All right, and now we're going to go ahead and do an offset plane from, well, this guy right here, and we're going to drag it out 3/4 of an inch or so, 0.75. That should give us enough room for all 3 or 4 of our coins that we're going to make. So let's go ahead and select OK. And as you probably guessed, we're now going to start a sketch on that plane right there. All right, now let's come up to create, and we're going to come down and we're going to do a slot, and we're going to do a center to center slot. Okay, so I'm going to try to line it up with this middle origin point here, and I'm just going to kind of click here, and just kind of create something like that. Okay, and now let's add some dimensions. We want this distance right here to be 0.75, enter, and then the width of this to be 0.2. And as you can see, it's not centered. So to fix that, let's make this vertical with that. And now it is perfectly centered. And then we're going to come on over here, and I forgot we have to dimension it from this bottom point here, 3/8 of an inch or 0.375. Okay. Once that's done, we can finish our sketch, and we're going to extrude this out so it cuts through both sides a distance of 1.75 inches. Okay, and that'll do it for this feature. All right, I'm going to turn the visibility off on that guy so you can't see it. And now we're going to make a pattern out of this, a rectangular pattern. So we're going to go to create pattern, and we're going to do a rectangular pattern, and we're going to select on this features right there. Okay. And now for our axes, we got to come over here and we're going to select this center axis going up here. Okay, and we want to do 3 of them. I'm going to drag them up, and we want this to be 2.25. And then that looks good. Go ahead and select OK, and you should now have 3 of these slots. All right, now on the bottom of our coin here, we're going to come on over here and we're going to start a sketch here on the bottom. And I'm going to zoom in again so it's easier to see. Now we're going to come on over to create with our text, and we're just going to kind of drag out a square, something like that. All right, and then I'm going to type in 10 for 10 cents, and I'm going to come down and find stencil right here. Okay, and we're going to set the height now to 0.4, and we want to center it. Okay, so click that guy and then hit OK. And now you'll notice it's not perfectly centered, and we can fix that with our dimensions. So it's a little high. So if I adjust this dimension and make it shorter, I can bring it down. Let's just try 0.2. Looks pretty good. And now it looks pretty centered, but however, from left to right, it looks pretty centered, I should say. We can maybe shrink that guy down to 0.26. All right, and that looks pretty good. So when you're done and you have it nice and centered, go ahead and finish it, okay? And then we're going to extrude, not that profile, that one, okay? Let's just go a distance of 0.2 to make sure it goes all the way through. And there you go. There's your 10-cent sleeve there. All right, and that'll do it for this part. However, we should give it a color here. So I'm going to come up here, right click edit, and maybe do something I haven't done before. Maybe a cool purple. There we go. Hit done. All right, make sure you save it now. $0.10 sleeve, and hit save. All right, so now that we've made one here, we can go in and just make some changes in here to do our penny. For example, our penny has a slightly wider diameter, so we're going to come in over here, we're going to edit sketch, and we're going to set that diameter to 0.93, enter, finish sketch. All right, so our penny is pretty much done, except we need to change this to 1. So once again, come back into edit sketch. Let's double click on that blue, and we're just going to get rid of that 0. And there we go. Hit OK. And then finish sketch. And our penny sleeve is done. But we need to come up here and save it as something else. Not a 1 cent or 10-cent sleeve. We need to save it as a 1-cent sleeve. All right, so let's go ahead and save that. Now let's repeat this process to make our quarter sleeve. So once again, we're going to come on over here. We're going to edit our sketch. And because quarters have a larger diameter, we're going to increase the size here to 1.14. Enter. Okay, and we're going to finish our sketch, and then we're going to come over to this sketch, edit that sketch, double click on it, not on the dimension, and type in 25. Check to make sure that it's centered and it looks pretty good, and hit OK and finish sketch. All right, and now we need to save this as something different. So we're going to save it now as 25-cent sleeve and hit save. And the last thing we need to do now is, well, make our nickel sleeve. So that's easy. Again, we're going to repeat the same process. Okay, but nickels have a smaller diameter, so we're going to change this to 1.01 inches in diameter. Finish our sketch, and then we're going to come and edit this sketch, and we're going to double click on 25 here and just make that 5 for 5 cents and hit OK and finish our sketch. And once again, come on up here, save it as something else, and you probably guessed it, we're going to save it as 5-cent sleeve. All right, let's go ahead and select save. All right, so once you've made your dime, penny, nickel, and quarter sleeves, you are done. All right, one thing to note is when you print them, 3D print them, you want to print them like this. And notice we don't need supports here because we have this arch here. So it's worth noting that whenever you design parts, try to design them so you don't need supports. All right, that'll do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.